and very hot. So
Yes, it's very hot because it's which season? It's summer season. Correct. So, we are having a very nice activity for the summers. Do you know what are we going to do? We are having a ice activity, which is also a science experiment. And what do we have for our activity? Can you explain? What are we having? Can you explain, please?
yeah, brush,
Yes, we are going to do brush, a paintbrush, and
paintbrush, colors,
food colors,
food colors,
normal paint colors,
normal paint colors,
and we need a tray,
tray, a screw tray,
and what is this? This is
baking
baking soda,
soda, spray bottle,
yes, this is vinegar. We are having 2 spray bottles, okay? So these are the spray bottles which we will need. We have filled what in this in the what we have filled in this? We have filled vinegar. What?
vinegar,
We have filled vinegar. Yes. So how are you going to start that experiment? So this is a simple science experiment for kids, which is going to be even a good one for the summers. Okay, because here we are going to have an ice cube. So this is basically a fizzy ice cube experiment. Oh, experiment! It sounds that we are now a big babies. Yes, but do you know? It is not like that. It's a very easy and simple one. What we are going to do, we are going to see how this vinegar and baking soda reacts. When we are going to mix the baking soda and the vinegar, what's magic will happen? Do you know? So to start the magic, what are we going to do first? We're going to remove this vinegar. We're going to add it later on. And we're going to remove this also. So first we're going to start by adding the colors. No, simply open the bottles and add the colors in it. Toddlers and preschoolers are naturally full of wonder. And it's typical for them to create their own little experiments. They want to see what happens next. This activity is so exciting. So here we took 4 different colors and mixed it with the baking soda in the bowl and added a splash of water to make it liquid. And then when all the colors were ready, we shifted these mixtures into the ice cube tray and let it freeze in the freezer. This is an outdoor and indoor activity that entertains kids while also strengthening hands to improve fine motor skills. I said that it would be a great outdoor activity just to minimize the mess. And the most important part is, what is my child learning with this activity? First of all, colors. Watching the colors combine and create new colors is the most important thing which the kids are learning. Next, the small motor skill. Small motor skills like pinching while using a dropper or while using the spray bottles. Next, brain development. Watching the reactions between baking soda and vinegar is a part of brain development, which takes part in a kids. Like, what is this going on? How the reaction is going on between baking soda and vinegar. Next is focus and concentration develops more when kids take part in these kinds of activities. The fizzing. I can see the fizzing ice is melting so quickly. Yes, sound is coming of fizz and it's melting. You all can even hear it. Yes, Ashwin. Now, press it. Remove your hand. Oh, it's fizzing. Remove your hand, beta. Can you see the fizzing? Melt fast, all the colors. All colors. I also want to do it. See, it's so amazing. I want to do. In morning, I took the cubes out of the tray and first we talked about them. Remember, questions are more important part of science. Helping your children learn to ask questions, dig deeper, and thirst for knowledge is everything. And we demolded the ice cubes and started sprinkling vinegar with the help of spray bottle. And as the vinegar was placed on the ice cubes, and there was a fizzing sound which made this activity turned out to be more interesting. You are enjoying it.